For unmatched versatility with uncompromising performance, look no further than the Benro WH15 Tripod Head. Ideal for birdwatching, it's designed for speed and won't weigh you down when in use. This innovative two-way head features an 8-stop counterbalance, setting a new standard. The fluid head supports an impressive 33 pounds. Featuring tilt and pan drag adjustments, you can operate this head smoothly and precisely. And with the head's dual panoramic function, you can capture panoramic photography on uneven terrain. The handle is ergonomically designed and interchangeable. It improves your pans and tilts while staying out of your way. It can be extended and locked quickly and easily, and by unscrewing the handle and attaching a phone clip, it converts into a selfie stick. Its Arca Swiss plate with quick release clamp lock knob allows you to swap out your spotting scope quickly and easily, and use it as a photo or video head. The built-in accessory mount allows for additional attachments. This head is also available in kit form, paired with the robust 4-section Mammoth tripod. A 4-section carbon fiber tripod perfect for heavy loads. This tripod features a 75mm flat base leveling ball, and its intuitive modular design easily adapts to your support preferences. For more details on the Mammoth tripod, check out the product video. Never miss a moment with the WH15 Birding Tripod Head from Benro. What are you waiting for? Let's go.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell for notifications.